Hi everybody, it's Jason again, and I am back with my second video. This time it is a custom my Louis Vuitton World Tour Damier Graphite wallet. So this is actually the second one I received because the first one had a hot stamping error, unfortunately, but now it's all good to go, and I'm excited to show you. Okay, so let's open up the box and take it out of the dust bag. Move all these things out of the way. And here it is. So with the MyLV World Tour, you get a choice of a bunch of different stickers. So I chose to have the white Louis Vuitton nameplate. So if you look really closely, it has my name and initials right there. It's a great way to customize your wallet. I chose Miami because that city has a really special place in my heart. The Louis Vuitton rocket, just because who doesn't like rockets in space? And on the back, there's spaces for 2 more stickers. So I chose the vintage Louis Vuitton sign, and then the Hotel du Midi in France. So this is the classic Damier graphite style, as you can see. And with the stickers, the placement is fixed. So you can have these 3 on the front in these 3 locations, and these 2 on the back in these 2 locations. So while the placements are fixed, you can choose which stickers you want and which spot from their predefined list. So if I open it up, you can see I got the hot stamping here with my initials at the bottom right, and then the Louis Vuitton slogan, or name I should say, in Paris, made in France on the left-hand side. So I chose this wallet because I have a lot of cards. So if I grab a few sample cards here, you can see that there's 3 slots on the left. So I can simply go slide the cards in. They slide in quite nicely. Big T fan. And then you can double them up if you need to as well. So if I put this card in, you see it slides in quite nicely. And there's not too much bulging or anything there. So I would be comfortable putting 2 cards in each slot. So that would fit up to 6 cards here on the left. Then on the right, we have this little V pocket. So what you can do here is move a couple cards in, or put a couple of additional cards over here, like so. So you could fit, I would say, an additional 4 cards over here on the right-hand side very easily. So you can have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards in the card slots. And if I look in here, you can see that there's also a little slot back here where you can slide in and hide a card if you really need to. And similarly, same thing on the other side. Now, the other nice thing about this is that it's also a billfold wallet with 2 pockets. So you can easily slide in a bunch of cash. If you're traveling, say, to the US, I like the 2 pockets because you can have your Canadian on one side, US on the other side, keep them nice and separate. And just to show you what it looks like loaded up, I'm going to put a few cards in. So they all slid in pretty easily. It's a new wallet, so I do expect a little bit of resistance. And it folds up like this. The one thing I don't like about this wallet is that it is a little bit bulky, as you can see. So I'm hoping as I use it, it'll kind of squeeze down and kind of flatten out a little bit more. But one thing I might look at doing for the times when I don't need to carry bills is buying a card case and doing it that way, so it's a lot more compact. And I'll be sure to do a video of that once I get it. So this is the MyLV World Tour, like I said. It took me about They quoted 4 weeks for the actual wallet, but the first one came in 3 weeks, and the second one, which was the replacement, came in about 2.5 weeks. So currently, as of July 2018, they seem to be about 2.5, 3 weeks lead time for the wallet. And they do charge a 30% premium as well for the customization, so keep that in mind if that is something that you're interested in. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with some Louis Vuitton shoe videos next. So I have a couple cool pairs I recently got, and I can't wait to show them with you. Thanks for watching, and as always, leave any comments in the comment section, and I hope to hear from you. Bye.